We are a family-owned food distributor into the catering trade. We've been around about 55 years. We've got 11 different buildings over 9 different geographical locations in the country. We're hoping to expand further, both geographically and into new segments of the market in the coming years. So we engaged SCG in 2017 to look at the different ways that we network between our sites. And we run our own physical server with our ERP application on it. One of the difficulties that we used to have was general unreliability and expense of those sites being able to communicate between each other. The old system that we used to use was termed Killer Stream, and what we found was that was getting harder to connect every time we brought on a new site. Well, I'd been researching solutions for quite a while, spoke to various different parties and friends in the industry. In the end, it came down to a recommendation from one of our other providers. With SCG, we were able to utilise whatever internet connectivity that was available at that site and bring it into this solution, which made deployment of new locations much more pain-free and a lot easier. We've since gotten also to manage our Wi-Fi solutions. We did have all sorts of disjointed systems which just kind of grew organically at each different site. It was a problem to manage, it was expensive, there were all sorts of different agreements with different suppliers. Being able to bring that into one hat was really beneficial, and to have that managed externally really helped us as a management team as well. So the relationship with SCG started on a really good foot with the implementation. The engineer, who I worked personally really close with, was fantastic and really helped us to get started with the project. Since then, there's been a couple of scenarios that we've had. One was fairly recently with another service that we have, another data service, which stopped working for a reason. Now, in a time-pressured business like ours, when something like this goes down, we need to get the problem fixed quick. And we managed to work with SCG to find a solution within 4 hours that enabled all of our teams to carry on working and customers weren't impacted. So on the current service, what's important to us is that when we do have a problem that's going to affect our productivity, that it gets dealt with really quickly. Generally, when those problems occur, I'm involved at some point. What I have to say is, whenever I'm through to the second line team, they've always been absolutely exemplary in helping us get those solutions. So we'd recommend SCG as a telecommunications and IT partner. All of our experiences have been great. We've had ups, we've had downs, but generally I'd have no wish to change. So with SCG, I believe that we can be more prepared for the analogue switch off. We can be more ready for new technologies that come down the line.